When people ask me about roofing contractors, I always say, never give a roofer money in advance. I founded Excel Roofing in 1993 to focus on residential roofing. I'm Jay Bretz, the CEO and founder. Since that time, Excel has served over 55,000 customers. At Excel, you don't pay a cent until you're content, and we never charge cancellation fees. Our specialty is roof replacement and roof insurance claims. However, we perform many exterior services. We have a library of videos about all of our services and the products we install. Please check this out and learn about the different materials available for your project so that you can decide what is best for you. Scheduling couldn't be easier. Give us a call or click on the calendar. Choose a date and time that's best for you, or if you'd prefer, choose the email option and we'll send you the bid. Thanks for visiting our website and watching this video. We look forward to working with you on your project.
Excel.